In today's video, you will learn the best advice you should ever get about earn $750 quickly in affiliate marketing with absolutely free traffic source on the clickbank digistore 24 warrior plus or any other affiliate networks that you are preferring, so you can use this strategy with that simply and easily and start making money from today. So hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money and Tricks, the super and fascinating channel on YouTube with excellent strategies every single day. So those strategies sometimes they are paid and sometimes free. So you can simply learn the method and strategies and start making money with that. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you India, 4% from the Russia and 2% from the Ukraine and the rest of the other countries that is included. But the best and important thing is that this 37% as the best traffic source that we are getting from those 2 million pre-traffic source, and as well as Russia is also one of the best country and the best source for us that we can make money from that. So here you can see that it is almost 2 million free traffic source that we are having for absolutely free. So it's a newbie friendly strategy that everybody can do that, and it is 100% free traffic source, and the method that I'm going to share with you is available worldwide, which means everybody can do that if he is in any corner of the world. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up through your affiliate network program or website. So whether you're using the clickbank digistore 24 warrior plus or any other one, so you can simply sign up with that. Once you sign up, then you can log into your account right here. So once you log into your account, then you can go to the marketplace right away here, and then you can simply scroll down and see on the left side main categories that you can simply choose any category from here and start promoting those. So the categories are a lot of categories right here, so make sure that you have interested with that and select that category. So in today's video we are going to share with you e-business and e-marketing category. You can simply click on that. So once you click on the main category, then you would be redirected to this page right here, and make sure that you have sorted by the gravity right here. So once you sorted by the gravity and you are in the e-business and e-marketing category right here, so then you can simply scroll down and see all the top products on the top that many people are promoting that, so we can also promote and start making money from that. So here we can find out an awesome and a brilliant website that paying us $137 $83 actually, which is the best amount of money that we can get. So we can get almost 2 sales or 3 sales in a day. So that is a lot of money for us that we are getting from this. So in this super smart method and strategy, I will show you step by step that how you can reach to those 2 million free traffic source really easily without any hesitation for absolutely free. So here you can see the offer, the 12-minute affiliate system, which is paying $138, $83 actually, and that is the affiliate tools area. Let me show you the main sales page and affiliate tools area here, that what they can provide us for us actually. So here it is a sales page actually that everybody can get that, and everybody when we refer someone, so they are redirected to this page right here. At the first there is a video actually that people can just see the video and they can watch the video. So once they watch the video, then they can just go and to redirect to this page right here, and then they can simply learn more things and more steps actually, and they have provided a brilliant sales page actually that they provide each and everything step by step right here. You can see they give and provide us some testimonials right here, and they also provide money things and money testimonial examples that people already made money from that. So they have mentioned each and everything right here. So that's why it is a brilliant product if you refer someone. So once they see this page, so they will never regret or they will never cancel that, and they will just purchase. So once they purchase, we get the commission from here. And another coolest part is right here that they have a brilliant affiliate tools area right here that we can simply see here. They provide each and everything, and they also show you that how much money you can get, how your affiliate links you can get, and how you can make money with this specific strategy, and what other people are saying about this testimonials and these product actually. So how you are getting each steps and recurring commission from this website. So each and everything is step by step mentioned right here. Each and everything is mentioned very carefully. If you can see here, there is a grab swipes here button right here that you can also get the swipes. There is one swipe, second swipe, and three step. Different swipes are there, and fourth, fifth, and sixth actually. So there are a lot of email swipes and different email swipes that we can simply get it for absolutely free right here. So we can just give as an example, just click on one of these email swipe button right here, and we will be redirected to another page which will be a Google Doc documents, and they provide us here, for example, the Facebook image swipes actually here, and they also provide us the banners and also provide the email swipes right here. So we can just open one of these. For example, the first one is right here. That is an email swipe actually that you can simply see here. They provide each and everything right here, and we can simply use it. And the same way they also use right here the banners actually for us, that we can simply just use these banners for our benefit and as an example right here if we need somewhere. So here we can see here that we have pointed out the product, a brilliant product which each and everything, and email swipe, and now it is time to reach to this 2 million, almost 2 million free traffic source right here. So the traffic source that we are talking about is that actually classified ads.com. So that is the main website, and a lot of traffic is coming to this website for absolutely free. You can see here that 2 million free traffic is coming each month to this website. If you can see here the graph, it is going day by day up, means a lot of people and a lot of free topics will come to this website and the coming months or the coming days actually. And you can see here that most of the traffic is coming from the United States, like 37% is coming from the United States, and 18% it is go off, means day by day that numbers will be increased. So once we have this free traffic source, what you need to do, we can simply type on the Google classified.ads.com, and we will be redirected to this page right here. So simply you can search here each category right here, or even you can find out the main categories right here, that each and everything is very visible right here, and it's really understandable, and each and everything is separate from here. There are the main categories, then subcategories for each one is mentioned right here. So as an example, if we just click or search, for example, lose weight category or lose weight keyword in the search bar, we can see here that there are a lot of examples that people have promoted their website, or some of the people promote their products, and some of the people just promote CPA offers with this. You can see here that there are a lot of people that they are promoting. If you can see here that these are the page numbers actually, if you reach to 20, and you can simply go to the next button, and you will see a lot of pages, and each page there are tons and tons of emails or posts that people are creating every single day. So we can do the same thing, and we can use the same strategy right here. As an example, if I show you, this guy has just posted a simple review, for example, a simple things right here, for example, that we have found the holy grail of weight management. This is an amazing testing product that delivers the science to allow us to live life and lose the fat. Okay, so they mention each and everything at the bottom. They also give a email, sorry, the address, for example, the website address, if somebody needs, so they can simply copy this from here and paste in another browser, or even just right click on that and just go to this address right here, and that will be open another page right here. So in the same way, this guy has also posted something, but they did not mention or did not put any link into that. The reason is that, but most people do not use their links right here because of the spam or bend or something like that. The coolest part here in this website is right here that they have response time or response things actually respond to this add button right here. You can see here. So you can simply post something right here. Once you post it, then other people that they need your things or your product right here, so they can simply contact you right here. For example, they add their name and their email address, and they write or request, for example, for the product or for the product link they request, and they simply send the button right here, and you will receive. So this is another and beautiful place right here, for example, in this website, that you can also get other people email addresses for absolutely free right here. So you can simply just post a simple ad right here. People who are interesting and they are the real buyers actually, they will send you the message, and you can simply provide them your affiliate link and send them. At the back side, you can also just copy their affiliate their email address and keep it for the next time that you can send any other offers. So how it is working and how we can do that, it is simple and easy. You need to sign up for a free account right here. So once you sign up for a free account, then you can simply click on the post and ads for free right here. So once you click on that, you will be visited this page right here, that you can simply just choose the category right here. So whatever the category is, that actually you just need to provide the category right here. You can see here that there are a lot of categories that they have used. Okay, so since we are just promoting a make money online service or something like that, so we can simply select that, and then you can select a subcategory right here. For example, what it is about or what your service is or your program will be about right here. So you can simply see marketing services or something like that. You can simply use that, so it will be great. Or even you can grade training and education services, you can also select this one, but I request just marketing service will be fine. And then you can simply write the city name or the zip code. For example, you can simply add any zip code that you are interested with, that you can simply choose that. Then you can add your title, and then down you can add your description right here. Okay, so for the title, what we need to do, we can simply go to the email swipe right here. We can simply go there, and here we can simply find out the email swipe first. So new system generates sales while you sleep. So this will be a great title. We can simply copy that, and then we can simply go back right here and paste it in the title section, and then asking for price. If you have a price for that, so it will be great. If you are not adding, just leave it like blank. It is optional, means it is not a problem. Then you can simply select, for example, this portion right here. You can simply select that, and you can simply copy that and then come back right here and paste it right here. So once you paste it here, you can just remove this, for example, and you can just make it a little bit accurate that people can see that. Okay, let me just fix it a little bit. Okay, okay, here I can just remove that. So then I can go just up right here. Okay, so here it is ready now. So what we need to do, we can simply just go down right here, and it is exactly what they give a call to action button right here. For example, it is exactly what you have been looking for. So you can simply add, for example, if you are interested, please inbox us, and we will reach you instantly. Okay, something like that. You can simply mention like that, and then if you can scroll down a little bit, so what they require next, for example, you can simply add your name. For example, whatever your name is, you can simply add like that, and then you can add your phone number. Keep my phone private, so it is optional, no need for that. then the location is this, the country, and this is the zip code right here. Expired in 6 months, so expired in 9 months, so we can simply choose. And here you can just choose, for example, the code right here that it is mentioned here, and then you can simply scroll down and add the image. The image I have already downloaded that from the I have already downloaded from here, and you can also do the same thing, or you can upload it right here. I just downloaded from here. I just downloaded, so you can do the same thing, and you can just download it for this email swipe right here from this Google Drive documents. You can simply download that, and then you can simply scroll down. So once you are done with each and everything, remember, you're not putting or you're not adding your affiliate links right there. Okay, no need for that. So it is better that they can contact you. So whenever they contact you, you can send the email, your affiliate links individually, and that will be a better source and a better business that you can deal with the people. So you simply click on the first this ad right here. So once you click on the first ad right here, okay, so it will just be added there. You see here, this is your ad has been posted. Okay, so it means your ad is posted, and it looks something like this right here. You can see here, this is a title, and here is the description right here, you can see here. And you can also see here that this is a response to this ad option for people. Whenever they just come right here, they can add the name here, email address, and their request here, and they send you the message. So whenever they send a message, you get that, and you send your affiliate link. So that was the best and easy method that I was about to share with you in this video, and you will definitely like that. It is the most interesting way that you can simply make money from copy and paste method, and nothing is needed from you. Only 10 minutes work required from you to just implement this strategy, and for 9 months your ads will be free on this website forever. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button. Comment if you have any question or concern, and can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next